Hello everyone, this is Drew with Drew Drives at Grubbs Family Dealerships, and today let's go for a drive in this 2010 Lexus IS250C. This vehicle has a 2.5 liter V6 with 204 horsepower and has a 6-speed automatic transmission, and I believe a manual transmission was also offered. I don't know if it was offered on the IS250C, but IS250 it was, I believe. So yeah, this is like the convertible version of the IS250. This has like a white interior. You have paddle shifters behind the steering wheel. No backup camera, but the mirrors do fold down, which is helpful. Let's walk around this IS. This has a gray exterior. Cheap little car you could get as a daily driver. And you have dual outlet exhaust. Well, I'm gonna put that seatbelt through this thing right here, so it'll be easier for me to grab it. That's interesting. Let's just do it this way. All right. Well, engine sounds pretty good. I mean, it's a very basic interior in here. I believe you could probably get a higher trim level maybe with the screen, but this one just has the AC controls and your radio, stuff like that. I've never actually driven a manual transmission Lexus before. So I'd be interested in driving a manual Lexus IS if I could ever get my hands on one. And it seems like a lot of people seem to be interested in Lexus IS videos, regardless of the year. So on my channel, I have videos on multiple Lexus IS, and people really seem to like those. So just figured I saw this one, I was like, might as well just get a video. Because of the price point of these, it's a 15-year-old car. They're like in the $10,000 price point. So it could be a good first car for many people. I like to get videos of old cars, new cars, everything, so everyone can, because there's always someone who wants to see videos on every kind of car. There's buyers for everything. So that's the kind of thing I like to do. Whether it's a $100,000 car or a $5,000 car or $10,000 car, I'll make videos on everything. do have a little sport mode. It's not bad for 204 horsepower, that's for sure. I'm just gonna leave it in the sport mode. I guess this is also like your manual mode too. Let's see how the paddles respond. Not bad. I mean, it's just a 6-speed automatic from 2010, so I wouldn't really expect super fast shifting from this anyway. The visibility is a little hard in this car because like the window goes so far back. It's a little hard to see. Plus, like the little back seat, because of the slope of the convertible top goes really down pretty quickly. And then like it's just kind of hard to see. That's for sure. It's just the shape of the convertible. And also like the rear view mirror is smaller because it's a convertible, so that also makes it a little bit tough. Hey, this car drives pretty well. I mean, it has 133,000 miles. While this car is pretty cosmetically rough, at the end of the day, it's a cheap car, it's an older car, but it drives well. That's all that matters. Feels pretty smooth. Shifts decently. I like the little shifter, it's nice. This like shift pattern for like an automatic, a lot of like Lexus and Acuras had this from this time. The little shift boot. Man, one car I really want to get a video of is the Lexus ISF. It's so hard to find one of those though, to get a video on. I mean, they're pretty uncommon. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think of videos on like these older cars. Funny thing is, one of my most viewed videos is on my 2008 TL Type S that I used to own. That was my first car that has like 50,000 views, because a lot of people are getting these like for their first cars, high schoolers and such. So I want to be the one. I want to be able to provide videos like this for everyone, you know. Because at the end of the day, as I said, people want to see videos on cars. People want to see videos on everything. There are car enthusiasts for every single make and model. That is a nice 911. Wow, that looked awesome. I do think it's cool how it has ventilated and heated seats. That's nice. But overall, this is a nice little Lexus. Thank you for watching another video of Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grubb's Family Dealerships in the description below if you like to shop for a wide variety of used vehicles and new vehicles from many different brands.